Just begin by noticing how you feel in this moment. Sometimes we bring our day with us. When we sit to meditate, so I'd like to invite you to notice what might be with you in this moment. Maybe a sense of calm, anxiety, perhaps anxiousness, contentment, some of them, all of them, or none of them. Notice without judgment. If your eyes are open, I'd like to invite you to just close them so that you can take your gaze inward. I'd like to invite you to also take a couple of deep breaths in from the nostrils, out from the mouth. Just helps to switch from the sympathetic to the parasympathetic nervous system. Allowing your nerves to settle, allowing your body to relax. And as you take that one last deep breath, allow any tension to be released. Bringing your awareness to your neck, shoulders, relax your jaw. And as you scan down towards your hips, relax your legs and your feet. And as you settle into this moment, allow yourself to notice the temperature in the room that you're in, how the air feels on your skin. Making a note of any sounds that you may be able to hear. Let them just flow around you, not necessarily looking for a sound to listen to. You may even notice sounds within your body, within the room. But just embracing all that comes at you in this moment. And then finally noticing any sensations on your body in this moment. Perhaps a little bit of warmth or coolness, tingling or soreness. You might have an itch that wants to be scratched. Perhaps a little bit of throbbing. perhaps tightness or an ache. You may also find that parts of your body are absolutely relaxed and without pain. Welcoming all that's here in this moment, being part of your human experience. Noticing with a tender awareness. You may even be able to tap into emotions or thoughts that may be present, and witnessing or noticing them like clouds in the sky, without judgment, without trying to fix or analyze, but just noticing. Noticing. And breathing with a gentle curiosity and awareness. Noticing the mind in this moment, whether it's rooted in a thought about the past or perhaps the future. And so observing when there's silence where the mind tends to wander. And you're welcome to use the breath as an anchor. And if the breath doesn't resonate for you, you're always welcome to use the knowledge of the room that you're in. Just being very aware of your physical body in this safe space. You're welcome to just be aware of where you are, based even on the sounds around you. You can even choose that as an anchor point. Before we end, I'd like to invite you to take 3 deep breaths. Before we end today's meditation, there are a few questions that you can keep at the back of your mind or focus on if you choose to journal your experience. What did you notice in the areas of your breath, your body sensations, your emotions, or your thoughts? Were they pleasant or unpleasant? And how did you relate to them? I invite you to journal or contemplate these questions, which are also mentioned below. Namaste.